नमस्कार साथियों, मैं आपका मित्र आशीष तायल डब्ल्यूसीएल संवाद की इस कड़ी में आपको मिलवाने जा रहा हूं कोल इंडिया के पूर्व अध्यक्ष डॉक्टर एमपी नारायण सर से। सर, आज के इस कार्यक्रम में आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। नमस्कार सर। आपने लंबे समय तक कोयला उद्योग को अपनी सेवाएं दी और आज भी उद्योग को विभिन्न रूपों में अपनी सेवाएं दे रहे हैं। अपने जीवन के शुरुआती दौर से अभी तक की अपनी जीवन यात्रा हमारे कोयला परिवार के साथ साझा कीजिए।
I started my career in coal with private sector coal mines only for a limited period. Like for some time I was in Burden Company. These are all small tenures here and there. Then the chief mining engineer, Mr. Bagroy, and chief mining advisor to the railways, Mr. Gopal Krishnan, once when we were sitting together at Kurasia Colliery, he said that, "What are you doing here in the private sector?" He said that you're cut out to be with the public sector like NCDC. I said, I have no choice. If you want to take me over there, it's all for you. And next day, from the office of the Chief Mining Engineer, Railway Board, I got an appointment letter making me an assistant manager in NCDC, National Coal Development Corporation. So I went and joined. Then comes a very interesting part in my life, career, to start with as a colliery manager and subsequently got promoted up the hierarchy. This is made maybe some of my colleagues raising their eyebrows. This fellow had just joined and he is going up very fast. And then how I developed beyond that was, the WCL is concerned, I was transferred to Kurasia Colliery. The then managing director, Mr. R.C. Dutt, ICS, had developed a sort of a liking for me, and that is how my career in NCDC was going up. But the then chairman wanted me to start with in Umred Colliery. Okay. Why Umred Colliery? There was a lot of problems in Umred Colliery. I don't want to mention the name of individuals who were there at that time. And the Chief Minister of Maharashtra rang up the chairman NCDC, but you are not putting the right person in charge. And the present man concerned, we are not happy. Then the chairman told him, no, it's not like that. I will be giving you a person now, you'll have no grounds for complaint. His name is MP Narayanan, and we are giving. So, C. Balram was my first boss in WCL. I was told by the managing director that, look here, you are carrying a big responsibility because I have mentioned your name to the chief minister. I said, it's okay, anywhere you do. So when I landed in Nagpur, I knew Mr. Balram earlier. He was not an unknown face to me. He was a known face. And I also wanted, Balram had one habit, that he wanted to make you feel that you are being obliged. When I reported for duty, he said, nahi yaar, तुम तो मद्रासी है, ये नागपुर तो मद्रास में होगा, तुमका आने जाने में सब. Immediately he wanted to make me feel that I am being obliged. I said, I'm sorry, sir. I don't think that I had asked for this posting. Anyhow, if you think that I am being favored, etc., I would like to meet the chairman so that he does not feel embarrassed by this posting. I will ask him to post me anywhere in NCDC. जब यार तुम तो ऐसे बोल देता है तुरंत चेयरमैन का नाम, this is way he talks always. But he knows only that the moment I said that, he said, no, अभी बताओ तुम्हारा भेजना मांगता उमरेड कॉलेरी में. I said, yes, that's what the chairman told me. There's some problem. Then he said, that fellow who was there in Umarid Colliery was a close bum chum of Mr. Balram. Naturally, he didn't want at that time, but the moment I told him, now anywhere I'm prepared to go. If you want, I'll go and tell the chairman, I'm prepared to go anywhere. I have not asked for a favor here. नहीं यार, क्या तुम ऐसे बोल देता है कि बैठो chairman साहब भेज दिया उमरेड का, then you will be in Umared. Okay. I was posted in Umared because you told me to gradually trace almost step by step what all happened, Lo and behold, I landed here in the evening only. I went to Umared Colliery. I drove in one of those jeeps. So they were all surprised that the project officer immediately said, where is the jeep? When I reached Umared Colliery, I found Umared Colliery was dark. It was about 7 o'clock in the evening. I said, what happened? Then somebody was telling, sir, ये बल्ब सब फ्यूज हो गया है, बल्ब खरीदना था. Then I knew immediately there is a management problem there. And rightly so, the chairman wanted that somebody like me should go. Then I said that I called that excavation engineer, don't come to me with any explanation. He said that any number of bulbs you want, you will take a vehicle and buy. Don't ask me for approval or a sanction. You see, take it that everything is with you. But I am coming here after another half an hour or 45 minutes. I want to see the quarry absolutely bright and well lit. Is that clear to you? He said, it's for the first time they found somebody talking to them like that, it's like that. They went away, and lo and behold, I came back, and that gentleman knew, perhaps he scented that he must have heard that I am a bit of a tough guy. So when I came back to the quarry to see, the quarry was bright, well lit. And they told the people that the quarry has been remaining in darkness for the last so many days. It's only a question of your coming that you Anyway, I said, forget about it. I don't want to compare, etc. Then Balram also came and saw, अरे यार तुम क्या कर दिया एकदम bright हो गया. I said that nothing, I have not done anything. I said that bulbs are needed means I said go and buy the bulbs. That's all the matter isn't that. Anyhow, that's a different issue. So far Umraid Colliery is concerned, I went and called. This is my style of management. That's what made difference. The minister, he was happy. He said that the previous officers never used to sort of bother like this. I said, sir, tell me, what are your problems? I have come, I will solve it first. He said that supply of coal to this power stations. I said, you take it that it has been sorted out. It will take me some time, 1 day or 2 days. He said, no problem. He rang up Mr. the Chief Minister that the new man had come. The chairman, it seems, has Coal India, chairman NCDC has posted a new man. He's a Tamilian, and he has called on me immediately. He said, that's very good. That's a good thing that you have done. And he has said that he is meeting the power station people, because by then I have called on Paras power station. The other one is somewhere, a Koradi power station. I went, and all the power station officers were happy. The moment I knocked and I said, I am Narayan and I have taken over. So they were all happy. The previous fellow always used to be incommunicable. That is, he never used to bother for them or talk to them. And they were surprised. They find that this man, ours, yes, no. That is how my career started in WCL. Then I found what all the officers from the state government, I noted down. Again, I went and called on them. You see, because if they are involved with the coal supply from my collieries, I must have a contact with them, a touch with them. That is them. And they were all very happy. These Koradi chaps, virtually when I came out of his office, he came up to my car and opened the door. I said, that is the Koradi. I still remember. They in turn told the minister concerned, and when Balram met two of the ministers, they said, thank you very much. Balram was shocked. He said, kya ho gaya? Balram is, no, you got a very right man. Now we are quite happy. Then Balram said, क्या यार तुम मंत्र डाल दिया कि लोग का सब तू NCDC के खिलाफ में अभी तक बोलते रहते थे. I said that you should be happy. If they are happy with me, you should be happy. That is how it started my career in WCL, consumer based, consumer oriented, with the power stations and with the ministers. I telephoned Chief Minister. Balram बोलता यार तुम तो Chief Minister से बात कर दे. I said, what has happened? He has not somebody devil or do. I told him, sir, I'm MP Narayanan, chairman NCDC has posted me here, and you had some problems earlier. Now kindly tell me. Nahi, Narayan ji. Now I heard about you from my people. So we are quite, there is no problem to carry on. I said, sir, I want you to come here and see for things and let me know what is. He said, okay. The Chief Minister came within 2 days, I think, 2 or 3 days. He came. We had the drag line there in Umraid. So when he came, I said, sir, I want to do one thing. I hope you won't be scared. He said, what is that? I wanted to make you sit in that bucket. I will also be sitting with you and we will go round. He was very happy. He thought that it was like a joy ride, But like this, it went on. Till then, the relation between, that's the point I'm making, relation between NCDC and the state government, the chief minister or the minister, it was very bad because of my predecessor. It was very bad. And after this incident, I was the blue-eyed boy of the chief minister, the minister, all of them. And this message went to the chairman. And Mr. Dutt, next time I met him, he said, I knew it, Narayanan, that you would do this. So this is the beginning of WCL, Western. It used to be called Western Division, not Western Coalfields. Western Coalfields came much later. It was Western Division. Then in the Western Division, I started growing in my cadre. And Balram was also moving. I was moving with him or he was moving with me in the same company. That is my story with Umraid. And I was virtually like a PR man for NCDC with reference to the state government. State government, like the Director of Mining and Geology, the Finance Minister, the other minister. So I was the liaison. If one of the ministers had a problem, they will talk to me. If the chief minister had a problem, they will talk to me. It was that. From Umraid, that was my contact with WCL is almost over. After Umraid, KP Mukherjee was the director of marketing. He was otherwise close to me. He went to the chairman, Mr. Dutt. He said that I want Narayanan at Calcutta. In the marketing side, I need somebody of his type to assist me. Balram, Chairman told that talk to Balram. Then when he told Mr. Balram, Balram said, no, KP Mukherjee is always trying to have a dig at me or snatch my people. And then this man, Mr. Dutt, told Balram that till now you have not spoken to me anything good about Narayanan. Suddenly you find that you need him. No, sir, he is very good. Like that he was telling. His PA was standing there. And he said that marketing this product is as important as production. If KP Mukherjee feels that he will be better use for the company as a whole. So he came, he said, यार हम तो बोल दिया है तो hometown Madras का नज़दीक. I told Mr. Balram that I am not that cheap, I want to be near my hometown or something like that. What happened? Why do you again and again repeat it? He said, KP Mukherjee ने बोल दिया आपका होना. I said, what can I do for that? I can't do anything. If KP Mukherjee wants, you go and talk to KP Mukherjee. With Balram, of course, my relation was also like this. I used to talk to him very frankly. I said, if KP Mukherjee, you go and talk to him. So that is how from WCL, I moved to marketing in Calcutta. I joined as Chief of Marketing, Coal India, and that was, yes, somewhat not a difficult assignment. The assignment which had a lot of problems, and particularly marketing WCL coal on the Western India market, So I told Mukherjee that you know about me. He said, what? He used to take his pipe and looked at me, what? I said that you know my viewpoints. And later on you should not feel that I am creating problems for you. He said that I know about you completely. That's how I brought you here. Do anything you want. Because I know you. You will do the right thing. He also told me then the private sector coal people, he said, do you know Narayanan, that they want you? I said, they want you, they think that I am going to do something in their favor, they are mistaken. No, it's not like that. He said that they know you will do justice to them. And right then, if I remember, my memory takes me all right, I was on the board of WCL from the marketing side. Coal India marketing. Mukherjee nominated me on the board of WCL. What happened in WCL then? Now, I played a very important role in acquiring or taking over this Biseswar House building for us. From Coal India, as Chief of Marketing, I moved there itself to Eastern Coalfields. My WCL contact gets cut off there. I was transferred as General Manager, Sales and Marketing, Eastern Coalfields. So K.P. Mukherjee said that Eastern Coalfields in difficulties. The Ramayaji Verma, I remember, he was the CMD there. So they told me, the chairman as well as you come to ECL, you'll be happy. That's how I moved from here, Balram's clutches, to वो हमसे बलराम पूछ रहे थे, यार वो मुखर्जी बोलता है कि तुम जा रहे हो क्या, यार यार बोलते रहता है. I said I have got an order signed by the chairman Coal India. Anybody who wants me, the order is there, I will go, that's all. Anyway, from there I went to Calcutta to Eastern Coalfields. From Eastern Coalfields, I went to Neyveli Lignite Corp. Neyveli. That was much later. And that was the time when I came back to NCDC from the ECL. And there, again, the then chairman wanted me over there. I was in demand. Again, Balram is atrocious, whenever to work under him. He said, देखो यार, तुम्हारे लिए हम बहुत अच्छा किया. I said, क्या अच्छा किया? तुमको मद्रास में भेज रहा. I said, I don't want it. Do you want me to go and tell the chairman that I don't want this posting? नहीं यार, क्या बोलता है? हम सोचा तुम बहुत खुश होगा. I said, I am not खुश or I am not खुश. Wherever I am posted, it's okay. But if you make me feel that I am being favored, I don't want to be favored. Shall I go to the chairman and tell him? He knows that I can go to whether I go or not, he was scared. Really. So Neyveli was the posting from there. From Neyveli, it was a very challenging post. Why challenging? The person whom I go to relieve and take over was the chap earlier over here. So they had that feeling, this from. So I just went there, and the ministers from Tamil Nadu told me that they talked to the minister in Maharashtra. They were happy that you were coming. We checked up with them, Maharashtrian minister. By God's grace, I did very well. It went on to this extent that the chief minister was not only in my favor, but used to talk to the chairman about me. Please don't disturb him. Something like that. And the chief minister was happy with me. The ministers concerned were happy with me at Neyveli. And the chairman told, I was, at that time, my boss was who became subsequently my boss in Coal India, J.G. Kumaramangalam. So Kumaramangalam said that, hey, Narayanan, you are not going to move from here. I said, why? Then he will say that you say, why? Go and talk to the chairman. He will tell you. I said that, why should I talk to the chairman? The why will remain. I was very chummy with all my bosses. I said, this why will remain same. Why should I go and take the chairman? You are my boss. Then he said, my boy, just listen, we want you there. I said, say so, that you want me, that you are not favoring me or something, let's say so. Anyhow, I went there to Neyveli, and from Neyveli to start with as a director. From there I went as a director. I became a chairman Neyveli there. I became chairman there itself. Then came back to Coal India. You see, when I came as chairman Coal India, then I retired as chairman Coal India. My relationship, you see, with these people was one of the best, with Arun Sharma, with J.G. Kumaramangalam, R.C. Dutt, and like that, about 4 or 5 of them. My relationship was like this.